Shrija and welcome back to Super Desai Sisters. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make DIY creative organizers. So this is the 4th episode of the Decor series which I started. Make sure to check out the other 3 videos. They will be linked in the description and will pop up in the eye. And make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The first is an emoji organizer. So for this I'm going to use an empty container, some woolen thread and glue. So first of all, you need to start wrapping the woolen thread around the container. Stick the start of the thread with glue and the end of the thread. So the black part was still seen, so I just wrapped the woolen thread second time, but you can also skip that part. After this, for the eyes and the mouth, I just used some foam paper. So I used the red foam paper to make 2 hearts and some black foam paper to make the mouth. Then you just need to stick the eyes and the mouth with the help of the glue gun. So for the top, I just used some yellow craft paper and sticked it using glue. Here is my emoji organizer all completed. So the second is a glitter drip organizer. For this you will need an empty container and some white craft paper. Then I just took the measurement of the container and drawed my drip design. So I suggest you to draw your design on the paper before sticking it on the container, as it will be easier for you. After that, I'm going to draw my drip design on the paper. So then you need to apply some glue and add your glitter. So I just used some golden glitter. You can use any color. You can also paint the drip with any color. To the finishing look, I just used permanent marker to give the outline and just remove the excess glitter. So then I just made a cute little face, but you can skip this part. So then you need to stick this paper on the container with the help of some glue. So these organizers are really helpful. You can use it in many different ways. You can use to store stationery items like pencils, pens, sketch pens, brush pens, etc. makeup products, makeup brushes, eyeliners, lipsticks, lip gloss, etc. You can also use to store your skincare products and many other things. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a like and comment down below and hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and help us reach 900 subscribers. See you in the next video. Goodbye.